Mame Mao Akwaba F00l Ghana in Sem TVGH so what frame Adjoa searching.
Where opportunities are sold is vanished forever. Kugurudu.
Did you hear that? He was vice president of the Republic of Ghana for 8 years. Then he came back to us and told us that we should give him the opportunity to be president of this nation. And we asked him, the 8 years that you've been in power, we didn't see much. How can we trust you with another tenure? This time around, making you president. The excuse he gave us was that he was not in charge in the 8 years. He was only a mate, a driver's mate. So we asked him, as the driver's mate, you could not tell the driver that he was moving in the wrong direction? And he said, even if you tell the driver that he's moving in the wrong direction, he is the boss and he decides what direction to go. We asked him again, would you endanger your life sitting in a car that is moving in the wrong direction? Why did you not jump off the bus to alert the whole of the country that the driver was driving in the wrong direction? He told us.
Black Rasta, I heard whatever you have said, Black Rasta, very well. First of all, Black Rasta, you are coming from North. I know that those people out there always use North to fight North. I never been one to be personal, but today, Black Rasta will be personal. Black Rasta, first of all, let me do family comparison. Your papa, Black Rasta, your papa. To compare to Bawumia and papa, your papa no reach there. Black Rasta. Second, Black Rasta, Bawumia as a person, to you and to entire family, you will never get that class of a human being in your family. Black Rasta, let me remind you that Bawumia didn't choose himself as a flag bearer of MPP. It be we, MPP, choose Bawumia as a flag bearer. It be a gentleman who was working in Bank of Ghana as a deputy Bank of Ghana governor. Black Rasta, hear what I say, deputy Bank of Ghana governor. In your family, they never get somebody like that who have reached that position, Black Rasta. Black Rasta, we know how you started from Abu Abu, and we know where you go, the radio station, the Wow and everywhere you have gone. We know the mind you know be saying, we don't know waiting to tell you. But we'll keep ourselves, we'll handle ourselves, we will one mind. But Black Rasta, when Bawumia they talk in party people. He was not talking to Ghanaian people, he was talking to the party. The party who is going to vote Bawumia. That's the people he was talking to. Because you don't get sense, you be fool. Maybe you go take something where the sense go they work again. You don't understand what they talk. Black Rasta, if you be closer to me when they talk like that, and let's say I did your studio, this my hand, I go release them for you. You are just a fool who does not get sense. Sometimes I ask myself, so a woman listen to this guy, even accept to marry this set of human being. Black Rasta, we respect you long. Trying to think that you will change. You continue to disrespect Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. He not be your mate. MPP party is a party with brains. I don't condemn NDC. They have their party. But our party, you don't sit down there to disrespect our leader. You be fool, or you don't get sense, or your body they rock you or they whine you. You crazy. I know they won't go personal when it comes to this. But when I listen or whatever you say, it's a foolish talk and a loose talker. Mind your ways. You know correct. When they give you that small money where they give you, they make you the talk jaka 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 jaka. How much radio station they pay you, Black Rasta? The question that they ask you. How much radio station they pay you? Because they pay you, make it insult people. Ask yourself, what impact have you made in modern Ghana? You were a disappointed musician. Who find way in social media, who find way in the media aspect to use to do all the silly things you are doing. And they beg you because they come out for a babu like how will they come on. You don't come out. You don't go to Jamaica. You did a babu with us before you come out. I beg. No, they insult our leader like that. You know, but you foolish boy.
One name's a taxpayers man near na NDC party na nkasa dua boda so. No me party. E wo mu se niam bebre sisi. No mu de omu ba na ye hei, na ye hei yai. Na agi bebia pampamu jeni. Fikasi mu abawa. Omu fro ye de. Dansan kakraka obewura mu na jeni nko a, not seen the show inside. NDC for gold concession for. Nenya be massacre ya junted 11 years ago, 12 years ago. Junted in suto yo catcher say okofa nenya naba. Ama na betiti gotre satan ko no bi anim Ibrahim Mahama. En no di cast be si ho so betiti gotem. Ewi e kire no. Ya oji sika wo Ghana ban ho de tue na adwuma info kan so ya ma efiri. Oho na me hu se krono na start. Eya monko mu history mu. Monko NDC history book mu. Monko twetwe fanye debates. Munye omunye debate. Sa papa na oba Adum TV so wan no. I applaud that man. For you communicate ankasa. Wo wura mu. Once we ja for share quote o me phone o munye hwe. Sa so na ba ko betena ho na palugudam. Na brother saka kawo. Na koka palugudam as. Ko susu family. Toilet row family. How ka wanu tumna. Baba kat palugu dabasa. I just say they have nothing to show. Dining hall prophet in Sumbi hospital. Martin was yasamoka. Ya yanko bie. Ono nyasa da jeremy ya yanko bie. The most useless MP. Ono no your friend is say, sa papa. What? Just say NDC has nothing for Ghanaians. Me de. Say nyame ama omo abapa wa Ghana fo ehu omu suban anka by this time dollar anka Ghana is stable anka gold no ebi abeka ho ukwa we are businessmen. You said Nanadu and Bawumia in 8 years ohokra na ye me ya ohopo na ye me ya omu anya hwe nso omu timi di Ghana ko 8 years ehwe yemba apim for free ama yemba nko school. Yo munka ye September na resource ni bibia be pie ankwala ni be ko school. Ai Aruna Idrisu onyeska enko show obi ba nti mu amomba no be ko first term September no mombo amu me de no SS2 SS2 eyisi kana mitua ye fansen hostel fee na mitua SS2 obi ani o be hwe obi ba free education ye nso na nado afire in 8 years. Ama sa free education product no ebi mo awie nursing na nado nim se eyese nkola no be wie school yo mbe ko training yo mbe ye denden no mbe wie school no eyese adwuma bi ye ready e no start so o si hospital no ba ye na transition na sana wo wa befa utimi be catch us agenda 11 hospital na nonsense na 24-hour economy marketing here 133419 enu na here 1 year 1.5 year down the line untimi nya hwe fa ho ye unhu bebi kura wo fancy concept nko a woni wo so na wo na besesa concourse egufie award giving people 1 year down the line ba wo yonku ba ye ne de less than 6 months getting to 7 months to 8 months na free education su first badge ko san kola ni bebi mu wo police ebi mu wo nurse ebi chese ebi mu kura nya flight ko abrochiri akoye edwuma hospitals over jingon of hospital be Dining hall prophet ni so won be onye ye pa ye be take over because they taxpayers money ye njimi ye nya kwase ampafo sa hospitals we and ko be won sana development be koso wo Ghana wo be won sana be unemployment be fee system no some unemployment syndrome ye de wo mu de mo prema mo gold concession fo ba ye sesa ni nyina e ma won nua no raf ni group akwase ampafo Rasta for group amboa group some peaceful demonstration. Now, most demonstration, I'm saying no corner said that. What do who be Jimu? Most of my magic cast. I'm sorry, ya titimu. Need the account, no sister, be named. I
And he said, this is the political party that Lord desires. Desires that he will put Ghana under its control. And if Ghana would hear it, and they will work on it.
Se ombetie na omotu nwana monwa meshira ti so man na ntie ne entu hwana monwa obadumi oman no nyame asem nie concert party we first stage ye be ko second stage wo kwasi usu wo adwuma ye what for how kesi ato no so na me se wo de wo the end of your life wrong la walai wo se wo se wo ya ahantan na un change free set bia na wo mu no na wo so a wo obo ho asafo hene na wo di nyame din wo gu nyame ani monyam ase wo tutu nyame ani monyam ase na wo bre nyame ahode ase na wo gu nankopon ani monyam ehu fin twan yo kwasi medie makade ya kyerɛw opa fa ompa jai medie minia no me bɔ kokɔ kwasi sakyera wadene kwasi usu sakyera wadene ne mmere eni hɔ mam jai de wo ye no kwasi usu jai ade na wo ye no esusuanso beba wo so no efise wodi nyame din sai no ma wo gu nyame ani monyam ase wo tutu nyame ase sa dwon ye wodi na wo kikan wo ahyase wo anaka kire ense nyame ani monyam obi edimi change. Of course it is true. There is nobody on this earth I betima change nyame ani monyam. Nyame betima say oman we ewiase enne within seconds. Nyame betimi atonso ne within seconds. Nobody can say nyame me stop nso na woto no. There is no way. Either so bompa yasre na bia wa limited se bia wa twen ba se wo so sana you ntumi sana enti se nyame ka se Ghana fo betie dia. How possible say yen be se yen tie de nyame aka? How possible say nyame na so won no so obesi wo hene a yen be say yen pe yen ne hwan because wow tell say on obowura adwen num e change nipa adwen firi wo man no na ye na ekoto aba it is a sofo bi ketre wo say nyame emfa abato ho a na wonim de oka na wo de nyame ani monyam abere abefom enti sofo no ka sa no he is right it say nyame nim abato ho hwe e nipa adwen ti de wo kan e wa na wo de mo hwe wo be kasem bi of mo sentences na e de ba be wie say Bawumia any MPP any na munro so e person be say NDC for yenko e ba be wie ho yentie yeah
This nation
yeah boy sem and kwa na ya na me yash
say akuakuo bi ejina assassin fatro nan so
ebiem any grofo doso
the nation kasa and they said will the people of the nation hearken to the voice of
and grofo nan gina enkwanta nan so oman na 2024 ana omunsu edia bobo se ti oman ombetie de nyame akan ye de no ma ye de akwasi nyame san nyame abofo no a ombae na omo no obekasa ye no usan hu nkrofo nan foforo ana omo no edia bobo e kire se wo mokra no abofo no kra esen suro Ghana fo nyankopon na kasa wote na hinni na hinwa mu no osuro Ghana nyame na abofo suro Ghana se Ghana boy touchable Ghana for ye untouchable ye betime break bibia e kire wo se nyame na kasa kra suro Ghana for. Oh, I see. Why are you doing this? Why are you disgracing yourself all the time? and the yana yam ya say aquano a translation e drew her say new was out church here because we didn't say ya na man for we be it and on the yana problem no say china oka said they make Kenya problem but sa bro ya o keka no man for tiase no it pains me a lot and na die nyame any abofo dia bobo say ye enti mi nyame ya fa nsem na mi nyame ana me dia asoma asem na asoma ye nuanom mo ayeso ana me nuanom dignity ni ma dola nom mi ko hia no ma dola nom mi nyame masoma ayi dignity ri jackie say ko kasa asem we na so masoma jackie be kache mi ya na dignity ni mu dia bobo ene ayi say enti o man o mbeti ni nyame aka kire wo say nyame ne pe ena enye ho afedie nkrofo nan no so gina kwanta nan so dia bobo say enti dia akai Ghana fo nti o mbeti die awo akwasi omienkotie obio
God and do in accordance with the will of God. We wished that they would hearken the voice of God and do in accordance with the will of the Lord for the nation. I saw certain groups of people standing at the four corners of the nation.
I was like na mo chade mo chade na mo chade ache na mo tuna me aduma me no ye use sawo teaching is na me ye nyema kitwa.
Wished that they would hearken the voice of God